Everyone knows the Fresh Rinse makes the best social media ads, door hangers, 5x7 cards, yard signs, banners, etc., etc. But did you also know that he makes the best coffee mugs? Yeah, it's true.
You guys just saw Mike Carmody, the Fresh Rinse. He's on YouTube as the Fresh Rinse. I'll flip the camera around here. All right, so here's Mike's YouTube page. His channel is called The Fresh Rinse. Has a ton of excellent content on here from A to Z, how to wash a house. He's got equipment rebuilds. And he also started a company called Fresh Rinse Media. And that's what really caught my eye. I was watching one of his videos, and he was marketing that service. And what really caught my eye was um, he knows the house washing business. He's not marketing to auto mechanics or plumbers or anything like that. House wash only, at least right now. So what I like about it is I called on this. Well, didn't really call. I texted him and was talking to him about this card right here. It's a 5x7, and he said he uses these as a business card. So I thought, well, what the heck? They're cheap enough. So this one right here, he's got several of them. But what I like about this is it explains what we do. How many times have we went up and talked to somebody and said, oh, we soft wash, we don't put any pressure on your vinyl siding or whatever, and then you have to explain to them. Or if you leave a card behind or something like that, let's say right here, this is my prior card, nothing, just plain old card, but it's not educational. These cards right here are educational and really not much more than business cards. And so it's a two-sided, full color, glossy. Tells here the services I do. I used one of his. I didn't have any good roof photos, and I used one of his, and then he used my photo here I sent to him, and then I don't even have a logo or anything. So all I do is put my picture around. I've been a remodeling contractor for 35 years around here, and so people know me, and I'm like, well, I don't have a logo. He made me a little logo right here on this side here. So he put my number down there. Soft wash technology is a low pressure solution based cleaning, blah, 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 educational. So if you're going to drop a card off, here's what people do with these little cards. They get so many of them, they just throw them away. You give them something like that, and that's impressive. So 1,000 of these cards plus him designing it and shipping was $215. That's 1,000 cards. I mean, the box weighs like 40 pounds. I just couldn't believe it. That was awesome service. So let me contrast this with something I did 2 years ago. So this is just a little door hanger. So I designed this 2 years ago with another company. Okay, so it was I thought it was pretty simple. So put my name and my look at the head on that thing. So anyway, put my name and phone number on it, and I used this was stock from what they had. Uh, but I asked them what they put on the back, and they go, well, nothing really. And so I said, well, I want something on the back. And so here's what I put on the back, which is my camera's not focusing. So let me get over here maybe. So on the back, I have different services I offer. I wish this thing, there it goes. Different services I offer: soft wash roof, soft wash siding, gutter brightening, the whole list, and a place here to put a price. So this Mike has something very similar to this. He's got a lot better looking door hangers, and then he also has a section on his cards on the back with places you can put pricing, and similar to this. a little more condensed, better looking though. All right, so here's Mike's digital 3-pack. With this, I can run these ads like on my Facebook page, anything digital. What I like about this is we're dealing with a guy that's in the same business. So I didn't have to make any changes other than say, hey, add my phone number. I told him to put the 5-star Google rating, and then this little thing right here makes me look professional. So that's one of the 3. Here's another one. So this one, of course, is another piece of digital marketing. He used one of my photos. He can use all your photos, or you can use all his photos. It just makes it easy. So there's number 2 of the digital pack. And here's number 3. And this is an actual photo that I sent him. That's not my surface cleaner, although I got the same brand, just a different, model. So I didn't even care to change a surface cleaner. So all this was what I added right here, phone number and this photo here. He did these like in one day. Just a few, text messages, and I mean, he sent me a proof. I made one change on one, and then we're ready to go. So this digital 3-pack is $100. So I can use these, forever. I watched a house in a subdivision. I put a yard sign out. It was just a mid-upper class subdivision. And then as you left the subdivision, it was, you come out and it hit the road, and it was a T. So I put my sign on the opposite side, so when you would pull up and stop, look both ways, look forward, there's my sign. So I got a call from a lady 2 days later and said, hey, I took a photo of your sign. I want you to come out and bid some houses. And I said, yeah, no problem. So long story short, that ended up being a 6-figure job, and that's reoccurring annually. So even if that sign cost $1,000, what kind of return did I get? And it didn't cost $1,000. But what I'm saying is, you just never know. You never know. It could be the door hanger. It could be this business card. Or if you want to go with an actual business card, I threw it somewhere here, like this. You never know what one of these things is going to do for you. Mike Carmody, the Fresh Rents, is the real deal. So get with him, buy you some cards, get you some yard signs, whatever the minimum is, even just get something, put it out there, all tailored to our business. Is this something I could do? Yeah, I could do it. I've designed stuff before. Is this something I want to do? It ain't. I got other things to do, work on my equipment or going fishing or metal detecting, stuff like that. I don't have time for this crap. Mike does, though. So get all your marketing in order by, contacting Mike on his text. Look at his Facebook page. He's adding stuff, seems like daily, all professional. I was looking at some, I'm like, I can't wait for my next order, So thanks for watching my channel. Take care.